With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. In this video, we are discussing question number 2. Explain the following terms with the help of the following examples. First, function-based substitution cipher. Second, 5 key function of cryptography. C, Steganography. Fourth, RSA algorithm. And E, hash functions. And F, pseudo-random number generator. If you need answer of these questions, so contact us. Thank you so much for watching.